Guys, welcome back to ZENSFXHUB with Macro Markets Simplified. In this video, I'm going to break down all the trades that I'm currently in and what I'm looking at in the markets. But before I do, join my free Telegram, okay? I literally give you every single trade that I take. I give you the technical reasons, and most importantly, I give you the fundamental reasons why I'm getting it for the trade. And not only that, I give you the entry, the stop loss, and normally I don't put a take profit, but I give you the exact price that I'm entering for my trades, okay? So if you want access to that, join the free Telegram. The link is in the description. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so as you can see, I'm still holding this trade on gold. It's been very choppy the last 2 weeks, to be honest, which is to be expected, right? Because when it comes to gold, whenever we get a big push to the upside and then a correction, usually after the correction follows, we get some movement we get movement sideways, right? And I'll go ahead and show you. We got the big push to the upside, and we got the correction, and then it started to move sideways, but in the upward direction here. And then also with this, right, we got the big push to the upside, a correction here, and then we just started to trade within this range for quite some time. Okay, so this is normal on gold, so do not panic, right? Nothing fundamentally has changed for me to really change my bias on going from bullish to bearish on gold. And it's the same thing with silver, but silver price action is a little bit different than gold. But if I end up getting stopped out this trade, I'm gonna like give gold some time to just find this footing. So what I will do is, like, if I do get stopped out, I would, before I enter again, I would have to get a clean break above this 5081 level before I even be like, yeah, I'm gonna get back in on gold. So hopefully, I don't get stopped out and it just kind of just range between this level and then start shooting up. That would be ideal for me. But if not, I get stopped out, take my loss, I'm cool, and then just wait for a break above. When it comes to silver, not in this trade, not in no silver trades right now. But what I need is a nice clean break above around like 88 level, 89 level, which I have like an alert set right there. Once we get a break above here, then I'll look for buys. Now, when it comes to UJ, this was a trade that I called out in my Telegram to the T. I gave you the fundamental reasons and the technical reasons on why I took this trade. This trade is currently number one risk free, and I took partials off it. So I cut my trade in half and took some profit. So when it comes to UJ, what I would like to see is a possible push to this level at like 154, and lower highs being formed and shit like that. And once I get a lower high, then I will go ahead and enter. If we don't pull back into the zone and we end up breaking down lower, what I'll be looking for is a break and then a retest. Remember, I trade super simple, right? So once I get a break and a retest, then I'll enter, and this will be shared in the Telegram as well. All right. Now EJ I pulled on last week as well with my UJ trade, and as you can see, it's still near break even, but in a little bit of profit, nothing too crazy. So, when it comes to EJ, I'm just chilling right now, just letting this find its footing. I do have EJ coming all the way down to 173. So this is a nice position trade. Like, if we go ahead and look at the monthly time frame, this is just beautiful. Just look at this price action, right? Like, EJ can literally come down here. This could be a possible retest before the continuation to the upside. But just the fact that we have not retested, we have not had no correction on EJ, and this is a monthly time frame. So this is why I'm very confident from a technical basis on why I feel like EJ is gonna drop down to around 173. And again, fundamentally, I break everything down in my Telegram on why I got in for this trade. So this is currently what I'm in right now, and when it comes to CJ, not in anything. CJ price action doesn't look too good for me, so I'm just kind of like not looking to trade it. And then EU, same thing. Like, EU is just nasty work right now. Literally just in this range. Been in this range since June of last year. So nothing crazy. Like, and look at this like fake out that it did. So I'm not trading EU at all. So that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated as I continue to make new trades and stuff like that. But if you want like the quickness of the updates, join the free Telegram. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.